Ooh. That was my first impression when I first started recording with this test drive, and I was very impressed with every aspect of this video recording, stabilization, all the amount of light in the 1-inch sensor, and the battery smooth zoom. It was very windy and cold, and I wasn't prepared for filming at all, and also my clothing as well, and it was kind of a run and gun situation. I didn't set the camera properly in some of the scenes. It was a little bit overexposed, and there are some test footages at least I got. As you can see, I was very cold. I had my other camcorder with me as well, so I did some tests. There was some shaking and swinging left and right, but I tried my best to capture some footage. Here I had some test footage I took with my other camcorder, so I thought let's put them together here side by side, have some sort of reference in here. But again, I didn't set the XA70 properly. It's a little bit overexposed, even so it's so dark in here, and I think it could have been better balanced in terms of exposure. Now, overall, this camcorder surpassed all of my expectations. I felt very powerful having that in my hand. It was just any task I wanted to do, camera came back and beating my expectations, and I was very happy with that.